I'm Kasha Hancock at the University of Dayton Marriott, where earlier today attorneys announced a civil lawsuit against the Ohio United Methodist Church. They claimed the church was warned that an employee was sexually abusing minors and no action was taken. Attorneys say their clients are speaking up to protect others and make sure this doesn't happen again.
The complaint alleges the accused was a church music director who used his position of trust to isolate and groom children.
After dealing with years of sexual abuse from a church music director, two survivors' attorneys identified as Jane Doe and Mary Doe are breaking their silence and hoping to hold the United Methodist Church accountable for John Slate's behavior, something the complaint says was preventable. The complaint given at Tuesday's news conference says Jane Doe attended church with Slate at St. Andrews in Beaver Creek, where she took singing lessons from him and began abusing her at 15 years old. Then when he moved to another United Methodist Church in the area, he started abusing Mary Doe at 13 years old.
As alleged in the complaint, church leaders did not report the abuse to law enforcement, did not remove the employee from access to children, and did not investigate.
The complaint says over the years, Slate took Jane Doe and Mary Doe to several motels across the greater Dayton area to abuse them and continued these acts on church grounds, in his car, and an apartment he rented. Attorney Dustin Herman with Spangenberg, Shibley, and Leiber read a statement from Jane Doe aloud, where she says she feels like her childhood was taken away.
Whether you're a little girl or a little boy hearing this right now, or whether you're an adult who has been living with it for years, please know you don't have to be ashamed or embarrassed. It is not your fault.
Slate was convicted for unlawful sexual misconduct with both minors and was classified as a Tier 3 sex offender and sentenced to 36 months in prison. Herman says ultimately they're hoping to put a stop to these vicious cycles.
Silence protects institutions. And if people like these brave survivors don't come forward and hold those responsible accountable, this type of thing can go on and happen again.
I reached out to the United Methodist Church's branch responsible for protecting the legal interests of the church. When I hear back, I'll be sure to update you. Scan the QR code on your screen to Dayton247now.com.